So in my last video, I successfully got me some stack, and after the whole merry-go-round, it was something else. Meanwhile, to get it was actually easy because stack had their own facets. But me coming from Ethereum Solidity, and I know how stressful it is to get Ethereum testnet. Like, it's very stressful for you to get it. So I came with that same mindset. I was like going through different facet sites, but I got nothing from them. So it was the Holy Spirit that was like, okay, fine. Starknet should have a facet. Like, I didn't really want to believe that Starknet doesn't have a facet. So that was my saving grace. And then we cycled back and then found ourselves successfully getting our stack. So today I'm basically I don't know what I'm going to do with stack, right? I've gotten the stack. Definitely I need to do something with it. So today I'm thinking of exploring Starknet apps and then see what they need for me to be able to interact with them. So in my my very first video, I got this link to explore Starknet apps. It got me to this DApp land. Note, you need your VPN on if you're in locations like Nigeria. I don't know why, but I wasn't able to access it without a VPN. So here I'm now seeing a whole bunch of things, right? I'm seeing on-ramps. So from the knowledge I have with on-ramps is how we're able to like easily get people to put in their fiat into crypto in Starknet, right? Without so much juggling and hassle. So do I want to explore that? I don't know. There is DeFi, there is game, there is NFT, there is social, there is infrastructure. So do I want to go through? But the problem now is that some of these applications, they're on mainnet. So, and I don't have mainnet stack. So how do we navigate that? How do I get to interact with the testnet of this application? So I'm just going to see. So let's try bridge. Do I want to try bridge first? I think I want to. So bridges, there is Bang X, there's layer swap, there is Nimbora. I remember last year Nimbora was just popping up everywhere. There is Orbiter. So I want to know the one Stargate Ethereum to Starknet bridge. I know bridging in blockchains is one of like the complex transactions you can do. You can easily do a send transaction, receive transaction. I've actually done a receive transaction because the last video was all about receiving some stack. So, okay, it means let's try a send transaction, right? A send transaction will basically mean I have to come from here and then I have some stack and then I need to this Starknet. So I want to send to somebody and my accounts, I don't have any accounts. So this is foreign. So okay, I think let's try something. When I come out here, I have Sepolia. The same way, does it mean I can't create more? Okay, so I have to come out all the way to this place for me to be able to create a new account. I'm still going to go with my standard account and I'll continue. So now I have 2 accounts. Then I have to close. I'll come back here. I'll choose. Okay, this is my second account. I'm also making sure I'm still on Sepolia. Then I just basically want to copy this. I don't need to copy it because I'm on the same wallet, right? So I just need to go out from this particular wallet. And for me to do that, I have to click on this, go back to this guy. Then I want to send. So you can see that this has reflected under my account. And then address book is just basically accounts I've saved. So this is like a normal UX for wallets. So I'm going to choose this guy. How many stacks do I want to send? I'm going to send 10. I'm going to be economizing my stack. You get, so review send. Double check. You are sending to a new address. Is this correct? Yes, it is. What is this saying? Okay, this gives me a more information. Amounts to send, the recipient, stack, transfer. So basically telling me the smart contracts transfer or the blockchain transaction or whatever it is, or blockchain function, whatever. Then I'm going to confirm that. Pin the ArgentX extension for quick action. I thought I've already done that. So why is it still telling me to pin it? There should be a way of checking, of knowing if I've pinned it or not. And then this particular prompt shouldn't come to me anymore. So this is like my own tiny UX 2 cents. So it brought me back here. So I'm going to, this is my, I should have 140, correct? This guy should have 10, correct? And then, so this confirms that Stack is the official coin of Starknet, and that really makes sense. So because you didn't see where it asked me to basically get some Ethereum, things like that. So with your stack, you can complete your transaction. That makes sense. So now we've successfully completed a send transaction. We completed a receive transaction in my previous video, and in this video, we just concluded a send transaction on Starknet. We are really progressing, and it's really exciting. So thank you guys for watching, and this is Amarachi Ugwu, and until next time, peace out. Bye.